Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your go-to channel for expert car reviews, automotive tips, and product recommendations. Today, we're diving into the best struts for Nissan Sentra. If your Sentra's ride feels rough, bumpy, or unstable, upgrading your struts can bring back that smooth, factory-fresh driving experience. We've reviewed the top 5 strut kits on Amazon to help you choose the perfect match for your car and budget. Stay tuned, the best options are coming up right now. Number 5. PM Auto Front Rear Set. The PM Auto Front Rear Set is a full 4-piece strut and shock replacement kit for 2014 to 2019 Nissan Sentra models. This kit includes 2 front strut assemblies with coil springs and 2 rear shock absorbers, offering a complete suspension refresh in one package. Owners love the all-in-one convenience of this kit, as it eliminates the guesswork of mixing different brands or components. Many customer reviews mention that after installation, their Sentra felt more stable on highways, with better cornering and reduced body roll. The kit also helps eliminate squeaks and vibrations that typically develop when struts wear out. For drivers looking for a balanced combination of performance and affordability, this package stands out. It's particularly ideal if your Sentra is showing signs of suspension fatigue on both ends. Just keep in mind that professional alignment after installation is highly recommended to maximize performance and tire life. Number 4. Shock Absorber Coil Spring Assembly. This front complete strut shock absorber coil spring assembly is a direct fit option for 2007 to 2012 Nissan Sentra base, S, SL, and SR trims, 2.0 LFWD. Designed as a ready-to-install kit, it comes with the strut, coil spring, and mount pre-assembled, which makes replacement straightforward and eliminates the need for additional tools like a spring compressor. Users often praise this kit for its ability to restore the factory ride feel, smoother handling, reduced noise, and improved front-end stability. It's especially effective if you're noticing front-end sagging or excessive bounce while driving. For Sentra owners looking to get back that like-new suspension feel, this set is a strong contender. One limitation is that this product only covers the front suspension, so if your rear shocks are worn, you'll need to purchase those separately. Still, for those specifically targeting the front end, this kit delivers excellent performance at a fair price. Number 3. Automuto Strut Spring. The Automuto Strut Spring Assembly front pair is an affordable yet dependable option for 2007 to 2012 Nissan Sentra models. This kit includes 2 pre-assembled front struts with coil springs and mounts, designed to restore ride comfort and reduce noise caused by worn suspension parts. Many customers highlight the cost-effectiveness of this set, especially when compared to OEM replacements. The pre-assembled design means you don't need to compress springs or deal with complicated setups, making it easier for DIY installations. After installation, drivers notice improved steering response, reduced front-end dipping during braking, and smoother handling on uneven roads. While these struts deliver solid everyday performance, they may not be as heavy-duty as premium options, making them more suitable for daily commuting rather than aggressive driving. For budget-conscious Sentra owners, this kit offers a solid balance of price and functionality. Number 2. COMPLET Front Strut Assemblies. If you own a 2007 to 2012 Nissan Sentra, this COMPLET package is one of the most comprehensive suspension solutions available. It comes with 2 front strut assemblies, with coil springs pre-installed, and 2 rear shock absorbers, providing a full replacement kit for all 4 corners of your car. The biggest advantage of this set is convenience. Everything you need is included, and the parts are engineered for direct fitment. Users frequently report a noticeable improvement in ride stability, reduced cabin vibrations, and better cornering control after installation. It also eliminates the hassle of sourcing separate shocks and struts. DIY users appreciate that this kit is bolt-on ready, but a professional alignment is still recommended after installation. While slightly pricier than buying just the front pair, the front plus rear combo ensures balanced handling and extends the overall life of your Sentra's suspension system. Number 1. COMPLET Front. The COMPLET Front Quick Complete Strut Assemblies are designed specifically for 2013 to 2019 Nissan Sentra models, making them a top choice for drivers who want easy installation and OEM-style performance. This set includes 2 fully assembled front struts with coil springs, saving you time and hassle compared to buying separate components. Customers often highlight how this kit restores factory-like ride comfort, reduces front-end clunking noises, and improves steering stability. Many users also note the straightforward bolt-on process, which makes this kit ideal for DIY mechanics as well as professionals. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the durability and hassle-free installation make it a great long-term investment. Perfect if you're experiencing excessive bouncing, uneven tire wear, or loss of control on bumpy roads. And that wraps up our list of the best struts for Nissan Sentra. Whether you drive a 2007 model or a 2019, these strut kits will help restore comfort, control, and confidence on the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automotive Widgets for more car reviews, buying guides, and maintenance tips. Drop a comment below and let us know which strut kit you're going with for your Sentra. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.